What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of our restoration. Guys, I'm sorry my voice is kind of a little fading, well, actually coming back, but I'm gonna try and do very minimal talking on this one. We're gonna be completing our cat eye pocket bike. I got my parts in the mail already for this project, which is brand new fuel lines. I ended up getting a brand new carburetor because the carburetor on there is brand new. However, I had a problem with two carburetors I purchased from Amazon, and this is one of them. So to be honest, I really don't want to use them. So I bought a brand new carburetor, I bought brand new fuel lines, and I bought a brand new battery. So we definitely have to clean the body, wipe the frame down, and finish cleaning everything. Install our brand new fuel lines, install our brand new carburetor in there, and install our brand new battery in there. And we're gonna be done with this project. However, I did purchase another cat eye. As a matter of fact, I purchased another two. So make sure you stay tuned for those episodes. It's gonna be pretty much clean and restored, just like this one that we're currently working on right now. And they're, again, part of my quick flips. In order to get money coming in, I did actually already purchase all of the remainder parts for the bikes I have. And when I say all the bikes I have, I currently have 12 bikes in my garage. 12. And as you can tell, we still currently have quite a few bikes to work on. So that means we're gonna have a lot of interesting stuff dropping in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the tripod so you guys can see me taking whatever it is that I gotta take apart, cleaning, wiping down, making sure everything is spotless, and then putting everything back on the bike, and then hopefully we can buff it. So make sure you stick around.